There's a guy you know, maybe a friend, maybe someone you've observed. He's not the best-looking guy in the room. He's not saying anything particularly clever, but women gravitate toward him. They text him first. They make excuses to be around him. They chase. And you've been trying to figure out what exactly he has that you don't. It's not looks. It's not money. It's habits. Specific ones. And every single one of them can be built. Attraction isn't a lightning bolt. It's a slow accumulation of signals. Small things you do consistently that build a picture in her mind of who you are. And the guys women chase, they've built the right picture. Not by accident, by how they carry themselves every single day. Let's get into it. Habit 1. They have a direction. Not necessarily a perfect life, just a clear sense of where they're going. A man with direction has energy to him, something pulling him forward. Women feel that momentum, and momentum is magnetic. The guy going nowhere? She can feel that too. Habit 2. They don't make her the main character of their story. This one quietly separates everything. The guy women chase has a full life. Friends, goals, things he genuinely enjoys. She's an addition to that life, not the entire plot. When she realizes she's not the center of his universe, she starts wondering how to get closer to it. Habit 3. They respond, they don't react. She cancels. He adjusts and moves on. She goes quiet. He doesn't spiral. She tests his patience. He doesn't even flinch. This kind of emotional steadiness is genuinely rare, and rare things hold attention. She keeps coming back to the guy who never gave her the reaction she was looking for, because she's still trying to figure him out. Habit 4. They have standards and actually keep them. Not the kind you announce, the kind you just live. He doesn't accept last-minute cancellations without a word. He doesn't tolerate being breadcrumbed. He doesn't pretend certain things are okay when they're not. A man with quiet standards communicates something most guys never do. I value my own time. And a man who values his own time makes her value it too. Habit 5. They stay physically present. Not gym obsession, not vanity, just he takes care of himself. His posture, his grooming, the way he walks into a room. These aren't shallow things. They're signals. They tell her, this man respects himself. And self-respect is one of the most underrated forms of attraction that exists. Habit 6. They create moments, not conversations. The guy she chases doesn't just talk to her. He makes her feel something specific when she's around him. A certain energy, a certain ease. Something she doesn't quite get anywhere else. That's not charisma you're born with. That's presence you build by actually being engaged in the moment instead of performing for it. Habit 7. They're completely okay either way. This is the one that ties everything together. He likes her, he's interested, but if she pulls back, he doesn't collapse. If she doesn't choose him, he doesn't fall apart. That energy of genuine okayness is the single most attractive thing a man can project, because it tells her, this guy doesn't need me, he wants me. And want without need? That's the combination women spend years looking for. None of these habits require you to be someone you're not. They require you to become more of who you actually are. Grounded, directed, unbothered. Build these 7 things into your daily life, not for her, for you. And watch how the energy around you shifts without you changing a single word you say. Now, if you want to understand the exact moment she decides to act on that attraction, what triggers her to actually make a move, that's the next video.
And that one will change how you see every interaction you've had up until now.